Welcome to Pinglish channel. Let's get started.
B. B. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? And. You and I will always be friends. You and I will always be friends. You and I will always be friends. Of. Today is the 1st of November. Today is the 1st of November. Today is the 1st of November. In. Sarah is in her room. Sarah is in her room. Sarah is in her room. To. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. Have. I have a few questions. I have a few questions. I have a few questions. To. I like her too. I like her too. I like her too. That door is open. That door is open. That door is open. For. This letter is for you. This letter is for you. This letter is for you. With. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. Do. What will you do now? What will you do now? What will you do now? Say. Can I say something? Can I say something? Can I say something? This is my favorite cookie. This is my favorite cookie. This is my favorite cookie. At. Can you pick me up at the mall? Can you pick me up at the mall? Can you pick me up at the mall? His. This is his box. This is his box. This is his box. From. This card came from my cousin. This card came from my cousin. This card came from my cousin. Not. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. Cannot. Can't. I can't open it. I can't open it. I can't open it. By. I want to go there by train. I want to go there by train. I want to go there by train. Or. Do you like blue or yellow? Do you like blue or yellow? Do you like blue or yellow? As. Her role as an English teacher is very important. Her role as an English teacher is very important. Her role as an English teacher is very important. What? What are you thinking of? What are you thinking of? What are you thinking of? Go. I want to go there. I want to go there. I want to go there. There. This is their house. This is their house. This is their house. Can. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Who can help me? Who can help me? Who can help me? Her. I have her book. I have her book. I have her book. All my favorite books are on this shelf. All my favorite books are on this shelf. All my favorite books are on this shelf. My mom is coming to visit me. My mom is coming to visit me. My mom is coming to visit me. Make. Can we make our projects together? Can we make our projects together? Can we make our projects together?
Please subscribe us and don't forget like and comment. Thanks for watching.